DJI is the biggest drone company in the world, but here is something most people daren't know. DJI does not make the sensors inside its own drones. The camera, the image processor, the vision sensors. Almost everything that gives DJI its power comes from companies you've never heard of. Today, we revealed the hidden makers behind DJI drones, the secret companies building the sensors, chips, and camera systems that make DJI #1. Welcome to Hidden Makers, where we uncover the companies the world never sees. DJI is famous for innovation, but they don't build everything themselves. Just like Apple depends on Foxconn and Tesla depends on Panasonic, DJI depends on hidden sensor manufacturers. Why? Because building world-class sensors is extremely difficult. Only a few companies on the planet can do it. DJI builds the drone body, the gimbal, the software, the flight system, but the heart of the drone, the camera sensor, is outsourced. This is where the hidden makers step in. The main hidden maker behind DJI is Sony Semiconductor. Sony makes more than 70% of the world's camera sensors. Take a look at DJI's most popular drones. They all use Sony sensors. The DJI Mini 3 Pro uses a Sony 1/1.3-inch sensor. The Air series uses Sony's advanced stacked sensors. The flagship Mavic 3 boasts a massive Sony 4/3 CMOS sensor. And even the legendary Phantom series relied on Sony's Exmor sensors. Why Sony? Because Sony produces insane low-light performance, incredible high dynamic range, and ultra-fast readout speeds. Their color science is unmatched, and their reliability is worth. Without Sony, DJI cameras simply would not look cinematic. Sony is the silent engine powering DJI's incredible image quality. But not all DJI drones use Sony. DJI's smaller and more affordable models often use sensors from another giant, Omnivision. Omnivision specializes in sensors used in smartphones, webcams, action cameras, and, you guessed it, mini drones. DJI uses Omnivision because their sensors are cheaper, more compact, and require less power, making them perfect for smaller, more budget-friendly drones. Models like the DJI Mini and some older Mavic models used Omnivision sensors. It's a classic example of using the right tool for the job, but almost nobody knows this. Now, even if Sony or Omnivision builds the sensor, someone needs to process all that visual data. That company is Ambarella. Ambarella makes the image signal processor, or ISP, the powerful chip that acts as the brain inside the camera. This chip handles everything: color correction, electronic image stabilization, high dynamic range processing, noise reduction, and encoding for smooth slow motion and crisp 4K video. Without Ambarella's specialized chips, DJI drones simply couldn't produce that beautiful cinematic footage that looks so effortlessly smooth. What about avoiding trees, buildings, and walls? DJI drones are famous for their obstacle avoidance systems, and that's thanks to sensors made by Infineon. Infineon builds the depth sensors, the time of flight sensors, and the obstacle detection modules that are critical for flight safety. DJI integrates these tiny, powerful components into the drone's complex vision system. It's Infineon's technology that secretly powers DJI's intelligent flight features, giving you the confidence to fly in tight spaces. And for specialized missions, there's another expert in the mix: FLIR, DJI's thermal drones, like the Mavic 3T and the Professional Matrix series, use thermal sensors made by FLIR, the world leader in thermal imaging, night vision, and infrared sensing. These incredible sensors allow drones to see humans in complete darkness, detect heat signatures for search and rescue missions, and operate in smoke and fog. DJI does not build any of these advanced thermal sensors themselves. They turn to the undisputed expert FLIR. So, who really makes DJI drone sensors? The real answer is a team of hidden makers. Sony provides the high-end camera sensors. Omnivision supplies the compact sensors for smaller drones. Ambarella builds the powerful image processors. Infineon creates the obstacle avoidance sensors. And FLIR delivers the specialized thermal systems. DJI is not the maker of these core components. DJI is the master assembler, the brilliant designer, the software engineer, and the innovator that puts all of these incredible parts together. They combine the best technology from around the world into a complete, seamless flying machine. And that's the true power of hidden makers, the companies you never see, but who quietly build the technology you use every day. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden companies behind DJI, subscribe to Hidden Makers and join us as we expose the secret manufacturers behind the world's biggest tech brands. Thanks for watching.